Well, it's finally here, guys. The giveaway that you've been asking about. I told you I would do it. It's time to spring into spring. We're giving away the Q50 Tein S Tech lowering springs. Yeah. Originally thought about including this giveaway portion in a broader, more vlog style video, but I think I'm just going to make this a dedicated giveaway video, so there's absolutely no question. So this is the video that will give you the instructions and also the video that will be used to determine the winner of this giveaway. I've done a lot of Instagram incorporated videos, giveaways in the past, partnership with Holisco's Carbon Fiber, for example, but this is just going to be a dedicated Speed Culture Studios YouTube giveaway. I'm sure there's going to be more Holisco's Speed Culture Studios partnership giveaways coming up in the near future, which is exciting. But again, this one is just a Speed Culture Studios YouTube subscriber dedicated giveaway, and I'm pumped. Another little surprise is that Super Clean. I recently did a Super Clean product demonstration, trial, test review video. They reached out again and actually want to partner with this giveaway, which is super awesome. So not only will the winner get these Tein S Tech lowering springs, they're going to get a box of Super Clean products, which is really dope. Super Clean has some excellent products that you can find at places like AutoZone at an excellent price point, and they're a great addition to any garage or shop or just household in general. So I appreciate their partnership. I appreciate them being willing to throw in on this giveaway. It's really, really awesome, and I look forward to continued partnership in the future with Super Clean. So let's get to it. Let's talk about giveaway specifics for these Tein S Tech lowering springs for the Q50. It's about a 1 1/4 to a 1.4 inch drop front and back. You guys saw what my Q50 looked like with these S Tech lowering springs. I loved them. Perfect amount of drop, great feel in the car, really lowers the center of gravity, but doesn't lower it too much to where you're scraping on a bunch of stuff and you're worrying about crazy alignment adjustments and things like that. I ran these without adjustable control arms, and the car was aligned within spec. Now, granted, it was on the outside parameters of specification in terms of alignment goes, but it was still within spec. I didn't burn through a bunch of tires or anything like that. The car handled great, loved how it felt. And these are a good set of springs. Now, these are for the rear-wheel drive Q50, but I do know some people that ran these on their all-wheel drive Q50, so it is possible. Just slightly different spring rate, a little bit softer, so you might get a little bit lower if you were to run them on all-wheel drive, but that's up to you. I mean, you're free to enter the giveaway for sure. Try them out, sell them, whatever you want to do. It doesn't really matter. So how do you enter? That's the question. Keep it really, really simple, guys. Like I said, this is for the Speed Culture Studios subscribers, YouTube support group. I appreciate you guys, and this one is for you. So all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and go to the comment section, and you have to leave a comment. What should you comment? Just comment the city and state that you're from, and that will be your entry into this giveaway. Only leave one comment. We do a random drawing through a website, which eliminates all duplicates. So if you comment 2, 3, 4 times, it doesn't matter. It's just going to account for one of your comments as an entry. So that's it. I mean, go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want. But to enter into this giveaway for these Tein S Tech lowering springs, the box of Super Clean products, and you know what? I'll throw a set of decals in the color of your choosing as well. And so all you need to do, again, is just like this video. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll check. Go to the comment section and comment where you're from. Easy. We're going to run this for 2 weeks. I want to make sure everybody gets an opportunity to jump in on this, what I think is an excellent giveaway. So today, the goal is to upload this video and have the giveaway start on March 14th. Which is the beginning of daylight savings time, because spring is here and we're giving away some lowering springs. So no better way to spring into spring than with some Tein S Tech lowering springs for free. The spring into spring giveaway. I like it. I like it, guys. Speed Culture Studios getting clever here. I was thinking I'd have to restrict this just to the United States only, but I think we could handle Canada as well. We might just have to arrange an agreement in terms of shipping. If it's outrageous or whatever, then maybe we can figure out a split. But if you are from the United States and you win, I'll cover the shipping for you. I'll get the springs out to you. So just looking at the calendar here, we're going to start this Sunday, March 14th, which is daylight savings time. And we're going to run it for 2 full weeks. So we'll announce the winner. We'll do the drawing on Sunday the 28th. It's Sunday, March 28th, 2021. It's the end of the Spring into Spring Lowering Spring giveaway from Speed Culture Studios. I think that's pretty cool, guys. I know a bunch of you probably skipped around because you can't stand to watch a video in its entirety, and I ramble a lot, so I don't blame you. But just to reiterate, we're giving away the Tein S Tech lowering springs for the Q50. It's the 2014 plus, maybe 2014 up to 2017. You have to double check and check your fitment. If I remember, I'll do a little bit of research as well and put it in the description down below just to make sure everyone is included that could potentially utilize these springs. I'll also throw in a set of the Speed Culture decals for you, a color of your choosing as well. And Super Clean is going to send you a box of their product to try out as well, which is really, really cool. Big thank you to Super Clean Products once again. Super simple to enter the giveaway. All you need to do is like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, go to the comment section below and let me know where you're from, city and state, and that gets you entered. We'll do the random drawing online. Only one comment necessary. It pulls out all the duplicates. We'll do the drawing. Let's say we'll close the giveaway entry time at 3 p.m. Eastern time on March 28th. That's Sunday, March 28th, 3 p.m. Eastern time. That's noon Western, noon California time. I'll complete the drawing later that day at some point, and I'll let you know on your comment. That way, and I'll also probably make a follow-up video announcing the winner one more time. We want to make sure we get in touch with the winner as soon as possible and get these things sent out to you. I don't know that I have installation instructions, but I certainly have a very thorough installation video that you can follow along to get these installed on your Q50. I'll clean these up a bit further, and they'll actually ship in the original box. I held on to it. I'm really pumped for this giveaway, guys, mostly because I really appreciate your continued support, and this is just one little way that I can show you that appreciation, and I'm happy to do it. So thank you guys very much for following along. Thank you for subscribing. Go down, hit the subscribe button right now, leave me that comment right now, and give this video a thumbs up, and you're entered. We'll do the drawing here just in a couple of weeks. Good luck.